When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is gone for like, don't be in a humble type of town.
Ooh, ooh, just wait. Just wait.
Left or right, I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made.
Hey guys, my name is Genovia Riel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my shit. So, we are going to install a wig today. It's gonna be a pretty quick type of video. It is a T-part wig. I will list what the name is below because I do not remember and I got it off of Amazon. All right, so we're gonna see how it's looking, what it's hitting for. I got a 28-inch T-part wig that is a Bodywave. Oh wow, my watch is dying. That's a Bodywave wig. Now I did already wash it. I didn't dye it, so it is brown right now. That's the lace in the front, combs, comb in the back, adjustable straps, pretty basic. We're gonna do a pretty quick install. We're gonna use our band because I don't like using the combs. And yeah, stay tuned. If you want to watch me put it on.
In my life, permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight, living inside a dream. Let's lay where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, wish you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game goes stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Y'all, this curl is holding so well. Like, it curled so well. I can't wait to see. Ooh, just wait. Okay, y'all, really quick. I feel like this is coming out so good. All right, so I had to come back and do this, but I just want to let you guys know it is not big head friendly, but I'm gonna finish curling it and I'm gonna find my black headband, my wig band. So when I do this, you're not gonna see no motherfucking wig band. So let me finish curling.
I look good. I know what you wish you could. I look like, I look good.
I feel like I need a darker. I have a darker. Let me get it. We're gonna try this. Because I am darker, so yeah, we need to use. Okay, so this is the finished look. I kind of burned my forehead right there, so I guess we'll put some Vaseline on it. Because that fucking sucks. Damn. So, this is the finished look. I had to curl this part right here. But yeah, it came out pretty good. I paid $115 for a 28-inch, and this is a T-part wig. So there's no full lace. There's like a little bit of lace in the front, a little bit of lace right there, and then that's it. So if you like this wig, the link is down below. Again, it is not big head friendly. It is far from big head friendly. So, okay, I'll pick you guys up later.